Turn on.
The fireplace is turned on.
Adjust big flame to gear flame. 3 gear flame. LCD touch screen button will be show F3. We have 9 gear flame from F1 to F9. Reduce the flame. Automatic change color. Manual change color. Turn off light. Turn on light. Time control. It can control 9 hours from 1 to 9 hours. LCD touch screen button will be show H1 to H9. Pipe insert into inlet of fireplace like video. Remote control. Press water droplet shaped button with plus sign that it will be auto feed water.
Water is filled.
When fireplace up to highest liquid level, that it will have voice remind and stop feed. Pipe connect outlet of fireplace. Remote control. Press water droplet shaped button with a minus sign that it will be auto drain out.